Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you AirVPN full review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're looking at AirVPN, you are stepping into a very cool, deeply principled corner of the privacy world. Now, unlike the massive commercial VPNs backed by giant corporations, AirVPN is actually operated by a dedicated collective of digital rights activists and hacktivists who are fiercely obsessed with net neutrality. Now, the absolute best part about this service, its unwavering purist stance on anonymity. Now, when you sign up, you don't even force, or they don't even force you to provide a real email address, and you can pay completely in cryptocurrency, making it a total dream if you want a genuinely anonymous account set up from day one, which is kind of cool. Now, the performance wise here, it is an absolute powerhouse for tech enthusiasts. Now, they fully support the modern WireGuard protocol here alongside their classic OpenVPN setup. Now, which has given their connection speeds massive boost. Now, pushing data rates beautifully high for heavy downloading and daily browsing. But for real crown jewel features that sets them apart right now is their full support for port forwarding. Now, almost every major mainstream VPN has completely killed off port forwarding over the last couple of years, so making AirVPN totally safe a total safe haven if you are looking to maximize torrent seeding speeds or run a home media server stack. Plus, if you ever find like yourself facing brutal internet censorship or strict firewalls, AirVPN lets you seamlessly wrap your connection inside extra layers of encryption like SSH, SSL, or Tor, completely cloaking your traffic so network filters just see it as a normal web browsing. Now, because it is built by purists for tech purists, well, there are a couple of little quirks that you need to keep in mind. Now, first, the desktop app here, which they call Eddy, is incredibly functional but has notoriously scientific, old school interface that can feel pretty intimidating at first. Now, if you are a beginner, now it throws a mountain of raw network data, real time server logs at you instead of a flashy simplified map. Now, also their server network is also on the smaller side, so focusing on around like 20 plus countries, mostly in Europe and North America, and it isn't specifically tuned to effortlessly unblock every mainstream streaming app like Disney Plus or BBC iPlayer. But honestly, if you're a power user who loves tweaking settings, need reliable port forwarding, and deeply respect a provider that generally values digital freedom over flashy commercial marketing, well, in this case, AirVPN is an absolute bargain and completely is worth it. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button, and watch our next video.